Of serious matters with the local lesson. It's a weekend edition, and that's why it's coming to you live from here from me to you, as they go. Well, we won't carry our body go one angle now, and that serious matter we want to talk about now. This Busola, Dakolo, and somebody don't talk say, now we don't hear them. So maybe just talk on top of this platform now. Say we've been they talk about the matter before. We talk about them, for some time. As say no to rape. We saw talk say no to rape. They try balance of say somebody thought say they try justify waiting the man do something. We know they see the the big picture of waiting they happen. But as of yesterday, like 2 days ago, we don't hear say one federal high court one federal capital territory high court sitting where they said Buhari has don't dismiss the suit filed by the photographer Busola Dakoto say against the senior pastor of Commonwealth of Zion Baptist, Pastor Biodun Fatoyinbo, which was known as the senior pastor of Coza. Coza is the acronym for the church. Of course, you've been done. They follow the OK since, as Busola talks saying now, Pastor Biodun, this flower, like 20 years ago and something. The thing they affect her. We talk all sort of things, and I know say some of you the way they watch this video now, you talk your mind that time too, self-number. But the court don't dismiss the whole thing. Don't scatter the case. Say no matter there, say get the thing the matter no hold water. In fact, they don't slam Busola Dakolo say make you go pay Pastor Biodun 1 million naira. You remember say Pastor Biodun, Busola they asked for 10 million. You can remember now. Check. You don't remember. You remember say she asked for 10 million. Then say make them pay him 10 million. But then now God don't talk say make him pay Pastor Biodun Fatoyinbo 1 million naira for damages. And of course people don't they talk their mind since a lot of people don't they talk all sort of things now. Say see as everything just they turn around. Of course you go see say the amount we court talk say make she pay not 10 times of it 9 she they ask for before. Of course now there if you don't look at before say because when we be they talk on that time say when this lady they ask for money, you mean say now the focus be this, you won't just make money out of this man or waiting or not just to bring him down or all sort of things like that. But then you don't see as everything don't land now. But another turn to the whole matter now be say Busola talk say it's not over until it is over. Say after high court don't dismiss something, you feel still enter appeal court go talk the matter. So you don't vow say she go appeal the matter. This ruling of Justice O.A. Musa of the Federal Capital Territory High Court where they inside Abuja, they say dismiss that rape allegation against Pastor Biodun Fatoyinbo, senior pastor from Coza, where we they talk about say sweet her belly. And so she go appeal the matter. Her lawyer Pelumi Ola Jengbesi declared this in a statement. He said, we have received several calls after the ruling of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory sitting at Buhari this morning, seeking our view on the decision of the court. Hence the statement. The court ruled that the matter is statute barred because the event that crystallized to the course of action took place 16 years ago, and that the claimant, Mrs. Busola Dakolo, has only 6 years within which to seek redress in court in line with the statutes of limitation. We are mindful of the decision as delivered by the courts presided over by Honorable Justice A.O. Musa. We are equally observant of the fact that the court omitted to address the course of action, the subject matter of the suit in determining whether it has jurisdiction to entertain the said matter. Now, while we acknowledge the time of the court, we know, and in accordance with the Nigerian judicial system, that the court's decision is not final, as it is glaring contestable. Now, for all intents and purposes, having seen several sponsored misleading news reports in the media, we are duly bound to state that the court has not and did not exonerate Biodun Fatoyinbo. As it stands, the substance of the matter has not received any judicial attention. Well, make a whole break for that place, say as we go look at. But then now waiting our lawyer talk be that say no be say they exonerate Pastor Biodun say he do am or he no do am. Now on top the ground say the case happened like 16 years ago. I mean, she get like 6 years, in between when the thing happened and when she get the right to go talk about the matter. Not be 20 years later now she could just come up with matter. So they never really talk about the matter. Now waiting the lawyer been the talk with that. Anyway, make we see as everything go turn out, because as that one be like that, she been one enter waiting in the call and she been want enter appeal court to go appeal the matter. Maybe then go reverse and that money where they talk say make she pay, and then talk say make she be the one to receive the money. Anyways, maybe we come up for this level, say that I too will be the talk and say, look, if now you reach one point where we say with the talk say if now money be the matter, then everything done. You don't water everything down. Yes, everybody they shout no, say no to rape, but seriously. I talk one thing that I say a lot of people they go through all sort of things, even guys, then they rape guys. So which one we want? Yes, we know the talk say rape no good, but you get some matters where they say the getters then they handle such matters. Be somebody like whoever anybody be anyway, you don't get right to rape anybody. Make that one clear. Whoever you are, whatever positions you hold, you have no right. But for a man of God, somebody who mentors people, and things have happened in the past. Who no get past? Me say if I get my own past, no be say I rape anybody anyway. But then everybody gets one horrible past or the other. We say when you say think about them, you they wonder say I wish I never did this, and so that's why they be. So and I want to believe that's how it was for Pastor Biodun, and that one of me say make you can't they hold that one, can't they use that one dragging name for inside there. But anyway, now so we see I'm on top serious matters. Pastor Biodun Fatoyinbo done they on the winning side, at least from the Supreme Court, the High Court rather. He done they on the winning side, but Busola talk say he never let go. So make we just hold him here and see what thing will still unfold later. That is it with Busola, Dakolo, and Pastor Biodun Fatoyinbo. Drop your comments and opinions regarding the matter. Thank you.